What is up, guys? It's your favorite Amazon employee back with another Amazon video. So I know a lot of y'all are like me and are employed by the current richest man in the world, Mr. Jeffrey Preston Bezos, as of July 2021. But if you're new to the channel and do not work at Amazon, you might be wondering, I wonder what it's like working for the richest man in the world. Like, do I get private jet access and annual trips to the beach so I can sip on my Amazon branded coconut water? Or maybe Mr. Bezos visits us, the employees, every year and we get to firmly shake a billionaire's hand? Or you might be thinking that us employees get paid with some Amazon stock as a bonus to our paychecks. Maybe these things exist, maybe they don't. But in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys what it's really like to work for the richest man in the world. You are going to find out if us, the employees, have our bank accounts secretly loaded, and if we're really living the lavish life in disguise. Or are we simply just a normal, everyday worker that's sitting underneath the umbrella of the world's first future trillionaire? But before we go into the video and I answer these very questions, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Not only do I create educational yet entertaining videos about working inside an Amazon warehouse, but I also do giveaways every once in a while. And as some of y'all know, the last giveaway I did earlier this year was $500, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. But without further ado, let's get into the facts about working for the world's richest man. So, Jeffrey Preston Bezos, the richest man in the entire world. So rich that if he gave up just 15% of his overall net worth, he would still be the second richest man in the world and be able to end world hunger. Like, come on, I know being the richest man in the world is cool and all, and creating the largest online shopping platform in the world is also pretty cool. But being able to say that you ended world hunger, how many people can say that they've done that? The answer is only one person, because the problem will literally be fixed afterwards. So you would be the first and the last person to be able to say that you've ended world hunger. On a different note, Jeff is so rich that if he gave up just 1% of his overall wealth, he would be able to give each of his nearly 1 million worldwide Amazon employees a $2,000 bonus. And yep, you heard me right. I said each of his nearly 1 million total employees. Needless to say, I believe that neither of these scenarios will ever happen, which is unfortunate. But this should give you an idea of just how much money Mr. Jeffrey is sitting on. And I know some of you guys are going to tell me that most of his wealth is in stocks and other assets instead of being completely liquidated. And I get all that, but that doesn't change the fact that he has a lot of monies in his possession. So this probably makes you wonder, if there is a lot of money in a company, and I work in said company, then how do the employees live? So why am I giving Mr. Jeff Bezos so much heat? Well, you'd expect to be living at least a little bit lavish if your boss can end world hunger, right? But in reality, I work week in and week out without much, if any, vacation just to take home $700 a week. Which, if you multiply this by the 52 weeks in a year, my gross annual income is just north of $33,000. And that's only if I'm not sick any weeks, which would prevent me from coming in and doing my job, or if I'm not taking any voluntary days off. And no, we do not get paid holiday weeks off. Keyword there being weeks, because we do actually get paid holiday days off. And all of those paid holiday days off can be seen right over here. And of course, depending on your state and your Amazon warehouse facility, your weekly pay is going to be different, and therefore your gross annual income will be different from mine as well. But for my $17.90 per hour, 12-hour shifts 3 times a week, that equates to approximately $33,500 per year. So at 33 grand, am I really living a lavish life? No, heck no, I ain't even living lavish if I'm living in a 1-bedroom studio in Memphis, Tennessee. For the amount of hours that we are on our feet and constantly moving around and just like not sitting down, heck no, that ain't living lavish, that's living tragic. Not to mention that we are not getting much paid time off. This is a chart showing how much paid time off days/hours you can expect to have while working at an Amazon warehouse. Notice on the left-hand side column, you need to work here for at least a year to receive anything past a full week in paid time off. A full year of having my quote-unquote day job making only $33,000 just for an additional 3 days of paid time off is a tough pill to swallow. And I do know that I am sounding a little bit spiteful, but I'm just speaking from my experience. If you have worked at an Amazon warehouse in the past, then you know how tough it can be on your body mentally and physically to be doing repetitive actions hours and hours per day, week after week after week. All of that just to be making a non-lavish 33 grand. And that's before taxes too. So realistically, you can be looking at $28,000 to $30,000 per year, depending on your state. It's a tough job to maintain for sure, especially when you start to think of it on a larger scale, like in total annual income. But if you guys want to see how I break down and manage all of my annual Amazon income into all of my personal living expenses, make sure to like this video and let me know down in the comments. I will say that it's definitely possible to live off of this Amazon job alone, but it will take some planning. And I'd be more than happy to make a part 2 for this video where I create an Excel sheet for you guys breaking down exactly how I'm spending all of my Amazon paychecks to pay for my living expenses. I personally think that would be a cool video to make and share with you guys, so yeah, let me know by hitting the like button. If we can get this video to 500 likes, I will for sure make it happen. But yeah, after analyzing these real life numbers, it's not a surprise to see that Mr. Bezos and his company are doing so well up top. The workers at the bottom are getting absolutely crushed with below average incomes. And I know this doesn't sound that appealing for a lot of you guys out there who are looking to work at an Amazon warehouse in the near future, or even for you guys who are trying to come to the United States specifically for this job. Yes, I do see my foreign viewers who comment this, and I usually do reply. But the good thing that I must say is that this job will offer a speedy application process, which honestly I was pretty impressed by. I began working within 2 weeks of applying, so in an absolute pinch, you can look towards Amazon to provide you with at least some sort of respectable income. But if your goal is to live in the lavish life in the long run, perhaps you should reconsider your options. Or, I guess you could pick up dozens of extra shifts throughout the year, and I think this would bring your total annual income up to about $40,000 to $45,000. Then and only then you might be able to live a little lavishly. In my opinion, it's actually absurd that the richest man in the world cannot even give out a median income to all of its employees. Like, come on, you are the richest man in the world. The richest man. There is no reason you cannot at least give all of your employees the United States median income of $36,000 on a 40-hour weekly basis, 52 weeks in a year. This comes out to no less than $17.30 per hour. So if right now you are getting paid more than $17.30 per hour here at Amazon or any job in general, just know that you are getting paid above the median annual income, at least here in the United States of America. And if you are getting paid less than $17.90 per hour here at Amazon, then let's just say the richest man in the world got you. And if you're watching this video from a different country, feel free to let us all know what this median income would be in your country. But yeah, that was just my honest opinions of what you can expect when working for the richest man in the world. Despite having loads and loads and loads and loads of money, working under Jeff Bezos will definitely not have you living in luxury. Unless, of course, you think ramen noodles and 30-year-old Honda Civics are considered luxury. But like I said earlier, if you guys are interested in seeing a part 2 to this video where I break down how I manage and spend all of my Amazon paychecks to live on my own, leave a like on this video. 500 of these thumbs ups and I'll make it happen for you guys for show. And with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, again, hit that like button down below. It really helps out the channel. I make educational yet entertaining videos about working at an Amazon warehouse regularly, as well as do giveaways for my subscribers from time to time, so you definitely do not want to miss those. And if you are interested in working at an Amazon warehouse now or possibly in the future, you can check out some of my other educational Amazon videos over here and over here. I strongly believe that they will definitely help you in making your decision. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button up here so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace!